Hey guys, so in my last video I said that self-defense company, as it says here, was featured at a previous movie premiere, and that movie premiere was Alita Battle Angel. Just show you down here. So I think that was a good idea, actually, good marketing. Yeah, excellent idea. Because why did they do this? Because a lot of the moves that Alita does and featured throughout the movie are actually self-defense training system techniques and moves. February 14th, 2019, Beirut, Lebanon. The feature film Alita Battle Angel features some techniques that self-defense company members might recognize. And here they are outside outside the movie, the premiere of the movie. So I'll just show you this. I'll just plug in the sounds. I always forget to plug in the sounds before I start these things, because I'm usually doing 50 other things. Okay, so let's have a listen to this. Oh, well, hold on. We'll read this first. In collaboration with Virgin and Empire Movies, instructor Mario Karam Jr., self-defense training system student Dina Ibrahim were on hand to demonstrate some of the techniques used in fight sequences. As a result, they were guests at the premiere in Lebanon. Through his hard work and professionalism, Instructor Karam was able to make this opportunity happen. He is a tremendous asset to the self-defense company and a shining example of what it means to be a self-defense company instructor. Now, don't forget, guys, anybody, no experience needed to be an instructor. Yeah, so I thought that was a very good idea, actually. This should give you an idea of some of what's involved with the self-defense training system. So there you go. I thought that was rather cool. Yeah, so one of the best self-defense training systems in the world, as far as I'm concerned. Now I'll leave links in my description to all the self-defense products there. There's some more of what sort of covered in various other things. They do podcasts too, guys. I think those are on YouTube. They're called Kill or Be Killed podcast. Yeah, so yeah, I want to see this movie too. I've been meaning to see it since it came out last Thursday, I think. Yeah, now also give you a few health techniques. If you don't know about earthing, I've explained it in my other videos, but you know, it's not enough just to learn self-defense and get wealthy or whatever. I think you've got to have a combination of being healthy, wealthy, and protected, basically. And there's all ways of being protected, but in this reality, one of them is to learn self-defense. But back to earthing. Most people who are into self-defense work out, and if you work out, if you want a faster recovery time between workouts, put your feet on the earth. And if you can't do that, there are earthing shoes now. They're you can be totally earthed inside. I'll run through a couple of other things now. If you've got any, if you want to program yourself, say program your subconscious mind. The links below for that. I'll put the links below for the earthing below. Yeah, what I've done is, say there's things you want to change, or you want to, say you don't work out enough, or you want to lose weight, or put on weight, or muscle up, whatever. If you want to change something, or you want to program something into yourself, say you want to work out more, whatever. One good way to do it is to, if you move around a lot in your sleep, it might not be so good, or if you've got a fairly tolerant partner or wife, what you do is you get a recorder, voice recorder. There are lots on your. I've put mine on my phone, and you just record your voice. So saying I'm wealthy, healthy, wise. I am always when you're programming something into your subconscious mind, don't say I will be, or I soon will be, or whatever. The subconscious mind can't distinguish between. It's like when you're visualizing. When you're visualizing, the brain cannot distinguish between visualization and real. So as far as the brain is concerned and the subconscious is concerned, if you visualize something, or if you program something into your subconscious mind, it's happening. It's really happening as far as the subconscious mind is concerned. So when you sleep at night, just record, get a recording done, and then switch on your phone to make it run through all night, quietly. Obviously, that's where, if you've got a tolerant wife or partner, if your partner or wife or husband or whoever can't sleep through, that playing all night, try earphones. Could be quite tricky. I can't use earphones because I just, I turn over and toss and turn about 50 times in the night, and just about end up down the other end of the bed sometimes. So earphones is not going to happen with me. So yeah, that's a good way, guys. You want to get straight to your subconscious mind, and that's the best way. Is 8 hours of run a recorder of your voice with all the things that you want to be. But remember, when you put it on the recorders, don't say I will be wealthy and I will be confident and I will be this and that. Say I am wealthy, I am confident, I am motivated, I am inspired, etc. Okay, and let that run all night. And usually they say after 21 days. I mean, I've noticed with myself actually. I'm just all. I never used to be sort of. What would you call it? I never used to be sort of. I've always been motivated and inspired, etc. But with other different subjects from sort of finances and that. But since I've been programming myself at night, I've noticed I'm more motivated financially wise, and to be self-employed, working from home, etc. There's no doubt about it. That's just jumped up a level for me. Once upon a time, I didn't really care much about finances and freedom, financial freedom, and all that. I had other things to do, and that's all cool. I'm not saying now that I'm just like money hungry and money's all I think about. No way. My other passions are still there, but I think it's more balanced now. I'm like I say, more, there's more of a drive in me for financial freedom, etc. Since I've been doing that subconscious programming, and I actually enjoy learning you know, how, you know, all these courses online of learning about how to, you know, improve your YouTube and do affiliate marketing and da. I actually enjoy that. Now, if you told me to do that, you know, even 1 year ago, I would have said no thanks. But now I actually enjoy it. So that with me, that's a definite change. So these are good, you know. People like Bruce Lipton, if you don't know who Bruce Lipton is, and what's his name, that other guy? Oh. Dispenser or something like that. Joe Dispenser, who are probably, you know, the top people of, you know, to do with changing you know, Bruce Lipton actually believes that you can, you know, change your own DNA with visualization, etc., and subconscious programming, etc., which I believe too. If you know, if you got the will and the drive to do that. But Bruce Lipton, he's Joe Dispenza, they totally believe in programming the subconscious mind. So, you know, if you say you're not good enough to do this, or you know, not rich enough, or you know, or whatever, that's one of the best ways to go, guys, is program yourself at night. It goes straight through into subconscious mind. You know, even if you want to do something like lucid dreaming, etc. And I'll make other videos about that. But if you wanted to start lucid dreaming, you know, just say, in my dreams I know I'm dreaming, and I lucid dream, I'm awake in this dream, you know, stuff like that. It really, potential goes on and on, you know. So there you go, guys. There's a few sort of extra tips there for you, and yeah, I reckon it was awesome that self-defense training system, you know, they were featured at the premiere outside, you know, telling people about the moves in the that particular movie. And I think Damien's right. You know, this instructor is, you know, Instructor Kerm. He's you know, definitely an asset to the company. You know, I don't think he'd be there. I don't think he would be there, guys, if it didn't work, you know? You know, if it was a scam, he wouldn't be there. It's tried and true. Self-defense company techniques are tried and true. They come from World War II commandos, you know, all the moves the commandos used. Then it got watered down. Everything became PC, and we pretty much lost all those moves that the commandos used, but it's back now. So, guys, yeah, if you can, I've got, you can donate cryptocurrencies, you can donate to my Patreon. I've got a Patreon account. Even got stuff on, haven't got much, but I've got a few bits and pieces on my, I've got to get onto that, on my Etsy account. Yeah. But I'll put all the links to the self-defense company below. And I'll see you in the next video.